It's me, Maria. And today we're outside now.
Nakuha man mo isa-isa mo ano.
Lupad ba?
Today's video
Ako lang ko
is all
nagpapakita.
about, learning English here so you can understand. Obviously. I love it. It's so delicious.
Nang para sa dunga ito take out para sa dunga.
It's too sweet. There's so much powder inside. And it's too cold.
Kusay Jesus mo, kamoy bit-bit ano na.
Isa daw din lakwi.
Mm.
Ayaw yun, ha?
Bye-bye, baby.